I gave you my heart. Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new vlog. So we're going to the beach again. As you can tell, I love doing beach vlogs. And we're bringing a picnic and I might be going in the water. My dad has ordered me like a buoying suit or like a suit what doesn't let you drown. A life jacket, but for now he's got the one that he uses, so I might try that out. Fingers crossed. But we will see how the day goes, and we're just about to head to the beach soon. We're going to a different beach, I think, than last vlog, so it is going to be a new beach. Try and not drop my phone. Oh, is it getting colder? I can go more far out, but I'm very scared to drop my phone.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and petals happen everywhere.
I've still got you. Walk forward. Yeah, walk forward. I've still got you. See, Yes. Yes, it is. All you're doing is walking. All you're doing is walking. You're making my fingers go red because you're squeezing it hard. Right, come forward. Right, now dunk yourself down.
Baptise yourself.
Dunk yourself down. Yes, and then the buoyancy jacket will take you.
She's nervous. You might grab it.
You need to bring old trainers with you the next time.
See if you can get more confident, you could use the full face snorkel. No thanks, Daisy.
As you would have just seen, I don't know why it's like that. I went in the water. I did a bit of swimming, but I was holding on to my dad's arms for dear life. And I honestly just don't have trust in my body because of my left side hemiplegia. I don't have trust in my body, but I'm getting better at it. That wasn't as bad as I thought. It still was not. It was good though. Daisy! She keeps on crying because I've got this. But it was good though. I'm gonna keep on practicing. The bright yellow thing was a buoyant suit, like to keep me floating. But hopefully you enjoyed that clip. That was good. Now I'm like soaking wet. All my clothes are soaking. But I've brought a new like pair of clothes.
I think you should wait till Dad comes out, Robin.
Robin.
Robin, you need to look up. You're fine. Sit up.
Oh, you need to tell your face that. It doesn't look like I'm enjoying it, but I am. It says you need to tell your face that.
Why don't you put your legs on it? When you have more control with it then?
Because she feels like she's more stable like this. I think. Is that why you're doing it like that? I quite like doing it like that. Right. Hold on. Right. Right, you can hold on to my legs.
Help, man overboard!
What are you going to... Robin, look at me. Are you okay, Robin?
We would need to get an like one of these. You know what I mean? Alright, isn't it?
Yeah, do you like it? I think it's more, you need to get in a very comfortable position. Because,
Aye, but is that comfortable?
yeah, it is comfortable on the bum, but obviously on... But that's how you would sit normally, wouldn't it? If it was you and me.
Well, aye, there's a seat for that. You would be back here. You'd be back here.
How far is that? Oh, Jesus! Fuck!
Oh, mummy, daddy.
I need to bleep some this out. I can't!
What's
No!
wrong?
It says bum shuffle. Did you see how long it took me to get in this position? She's saying bum shuffle back so you can go on.
Well, it's very shallow.
I'm slowly getting back.
Getting there back. You know, just lie back a bit. Well, you can bum shuffle back.
Yeah, I'm trying. It's just taking a long time.
Forward.
That way.
Forward. I like that. And then just pull back.
It's the lift in it. It's lifting it. You're fine again. No, it's all my muscles have went like dead because I've been tightening the lifting this.
I know, but it's because you're cold.
No. This isn't going as far. Oh, if this was recording, it would be very bad. We just go, oh!
Just don't you need to try and put the paddle all the way into the water, so then you get the maximum effect. And you're basically not meant to make any splashes. Right, take that arm off, put it around the other way. That's it. And then put your right arm up the top. That's it.
How do you keep on going forward?
well, for the match here, you've kind of got to do a few on one side and then a few on the other. Because you'll notice you'll go like that, you'll go that way, and then you have to do the other side to straighten it up.
Oh, we're going the wrong way.
I don't mean to alarm you, but you've seen how far out you are and how deep you are.
Don't mention that. My body's finally calmed down.
Right, give me the order now. And you hold that.
This is my outfit for today. I've got a new look purple bodysuit on. These smart trousers that were from New Look about 3 years ago now. And then I've got my new Jordans on. But I've put plasters on so they don't give me blisters again. And then this is my makeup. I've learnt my lesson for now. I'm not putting on lipstick because it just goes on my mask. It's kind of pointless. So I've just done my eyes, some blusher and highlight. So it's a couple of days from when I went to that shopping centre. I'm going to show you everything I got. The first shop I went to was Primark and I got this stitch top. There was a sky blue one with a massive stitch, but I thought this one was more casual. And this was £6 I think. I love it. The second clothing item I got, and the last one, is this nightie. It's got Winnie the Pooh on it. I don't know what the words say. I think it does say Winnie the Pooh. Yeah, it does say Winnie the Pooh. But it's so cute. And the last thing that I got is this book or planner. It's just a simple 2021 planner. I know we're in June, but hey ho. This is the layout. As you can see, I filled it in last night. And I'm doing on the to-do list now. And that is film the rest of this vlog. And then you just put your goals, your notes. And then on each side of like the paper, you get this. So I'm thinking at night, I will like write down like how my day went and everything. We will see what I do with that, but I didn't fill that in yet. Then we went to Lush. So I got this lip scrub. This is the cookie dough one. This is what it looks like. It's very sweet. I really like sweet stuff. I have such a sweet tooth. And then I've got this one. I wish if my footage is working. I did film this like a couple of minutes ago and you had my full on reaction to it. Has like green at the bottom to look like it's like a watermelon. Guys, it's like a watermelon. I thought it was just all pink. That's so cool. I'm still so impressed by it. But this is a watermelon scrub. It just looks like that. And the last thing I got from Lush is a bubble bar. I'm actually going to use it tonight. Obviously you cut some of it off, but it's such a pretty colour. It goes from the top and it's just like a cloud. There was a rainbow one as well, but I didn't get it. I just got this one. Then the last shop we went to was Boots. No, I think I got this from Superdrug. But I got the new, this is Milky Gloss. I got the pink one. I did have it on my lips today, but it came off because I was wearing a mask when I was going in town. Also, I rechanged the dress, but I've ordered it online. But I got this new look dress because the size that I got didn't fit me. It was too big, so I needed to get a different size. But that is coming on the 14th. I need to go and pick it up. But I will show you what it looks like in a future vlog. But that is everything that I got from my shopping trip. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I also want to say the swimming bits, mind how I'm swimming or like how nervous I was. I'm not great at swimming because of my left side hemiplegia, and I wanted to show you guys this is the reality of like trying to swim and trying to do different things with having a disability but wanting to do things. But I kind of mentioned it in the start of the vlog. With stuff like that, I don't trust my own body, as weird as it probably sounds, but I'm building on that, and hopefully the more I do that with my dad, like the paddle boarding, the more I will get into it and I will be able to swim and like do more things. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!